Hey guys, Dallas here from Dunn Watson. I'm just wanting to show you our range of replacement stoppers for your slides. So this is your rear stopper for a 125 kilo in the locking and non-locking, and your 227 kilo locking and non-locking. Offering the rear stoppers was important to us because we're very proud of the quality of the draw slides that we bring into the market, and we feel very strongly that they'll last a long time, and by just a few of the spare parts we have available, it really ensures that you're going to get that good value for money from your purchase with our runners, and also the reliability long term. So instead of replacing your system, quite often a few new parts after a few years on the runners will mean they keep going for a few more years again. So yeah, 125 kilo for example is that stopper here, and to replace it you would just simply imagine this is broken, you would pull it off, and then you can just put the new one on. Nice and equal like that. Make sure it goes all the way down. Some reasons that would cause a rear stopper to fatigue and break would be if you were slamming your drawer. Over time, this metal plate would bend up, and then once your stopper is no longer flush and it's sticking out a bit, you're going to find that the runner starts colliding with it. And after hundreds of opens and closes beyond that point, you're just going to start eating away at it. You might also find that in the draw system that you've manufactured, if anything is sticking out on the side of your carcass, it's obviously going to come into collision with that stopper, and that's going to eat away at it too. So just a few reasons why you may need to replace a stopper, and if you do, it's a very simple change, especially on the 125 kilos. When it comes to the 227 kilo series, there's actually this fixed pin in here that you would have to drill out. Same deal, this would then just pull out. The new one would just sit in its place. You would just line up this hole here with the tooth there, and then you would just run a small rivet to pin that back in place again. So in terms of swapping out the 227s, you do have to drill that pin out to obviously rivet a new one in, otherwise it's the same. So there you have it, our replacement rear stoppers for the slides. If you have any questions though, please give us a call or flick us an email.